Hi students, welcome to this mathematics video session. In this video session, we are going to learn the interesting topic, that is patterns. Students, now we are going to learn the following line items in patterns. Okay, patterns in shapes, patterns in numbers, identify patterns in square numbers and triangular numbers, to relate sequence of odd numbers between consecutive square numbers, relationship between square numbers and triangular numbers. Okay, these things we are going to learn in patterns. Okay, shall we go to the lesson, guys? Yeah. Guys, do you know why did you can see patterns in your daily life? Yes, patterns are around us. Patterns are around us, and we can see patterns in everywhere. So we can see patterns in everywhere in our daily life. Patterns are regularly repeated arrangement of colors, shapes, designs, lines and etc. on a surface. Okay, so now we will see the definition of the pattern. See, a pattern is formed when a set of shapes, numbers or designs are repeated over and over again. Okay, what is mean by pattern? A pattern, when is the pattern formed? A pattern is formed when a set of shapes, numbers, designs are repeated over and over again. Okay, in another way to represent when a design is repeated in a uniform way. When a design is repeated in a uniform way, we can define the patterns in another way to represent when a design is repeated in a uniform way. We call it as patterns. Okay, children, we will see some examples of patterns now. Say examples of patterns. So floor patterns, floor tiles. Okay, we can see this in our home, school, shopping malls and everywhere. So in the floor tiles la வந்து நம்ம ஸ்கூல்ல பார்க்கலாம், வீட்ல பார்க்கலாம், அப்புறம் ஷாப்பிங் மால், when we go to the shopping mall and so on everywhere. எல்லா இடத்துலையுமே நம்ம வந்து floor tiles பார்க்கலாம். Okay, students, what you are seeing in this picture? Yes, it's a colorful rangoli. It's a colorful rangoli. It has multicolor with that. Yes, this is also an example of patterns. This is also an example of patterns. Because what is mean by pattern? What is mean by patterns? Patterns are regularly repeated arrangement of colors, shapes, designs, lines and etc. on a surface. Yes, this then we can say that is a patterns. Okay, so here in colorful rangoli, in that colorful rangoli we can see some type of patterns. Yes, this is also an example of patterns. The next example is door curtains. Door curtains. There are so many designs and door curtains, like this many patterns are around us. Yes, so see in door patterns, door curtainsல என்னது நம்ம வீட்டில் இருக்கும்ல அதில் பார்த்தோம்னாக்க we can see many designs. Yes, many designs in door curtains. This is also one of the best example for patterns. Okay, now guys, let's see what is patterns in shape. Patterns in shapes. Shape patterns occur when a group of shapes are repeated over and over again. Shape patterns occur when a group of shapes are repeated over and over again. These patterns follow a certain sequence or order of shapes that is repeated at least 2 times as shown below. Shapes can be any types. That shape can be any types. அந்த ஷேப் வந்து எந்த ஒரு டைப்பில் வேணாலும் இருக்கலாம். ஓகேவா? ஸோ ஸ்கொயர், சர்க்கிள், ரெக்டாங்கிள், பென்டகன், triangle, star, and oval. In the row, we have square and circle. Square in the first row, you can see square and circle. Yes, it is a symbol pattern. It is a symbol patterns. Here, in that row, a square and circle, each square followed by a circle. In the first row, you can see the each square followed by circle. இங்கே பாருங்களேன், ஸ்கொயர் வந்திருக்கு, circle, square, circle, square, circle. So each square followed by a circle. Okay, so it is a simple pattern. In the second row, we have a rectangle and two pentagon. Children, how to identify the pentagon shape? How to identify the pentagon shape? Correct. Pentagon is having 5 sides. Pentagon is having 5 sides. Here, each rectangle followed by a 2 pentagon. இப்போ வந்து பார்த்தீங்கன்னா ஒவ்வொரு ரெக்டாங்கிளும் எதை ஃபாலோ பண்ணி வருது? 2 pentagons ஃபாலோ பண்ணி வருது. You can see here. So rectangle, 2 pentagons, rectangle, 2 pentagons. This process will goes on. Okay. Next, come to the third row. In the third row, we can see the pattern like a triangle, square, oval. So the each triangle, square, oval followed by another triangle, square, oval. Okay, so triangle, square, oval, triangle. Again, it's continuing. This process is continuing again. So triangle, square, oval. Okay, so that's why I said patterns means that occurs when a group of shapes are repeated over and over again. ஸோ ஒரு குறிப்பிட்ட ஷேப் வந்து ரிப்பீட்டடாக வரும். ஓகேவா? அதை தான் நம்ம வந்து பேட்டர்ன்ஸ் இன் ஷேப்னு சொல்லுவோம். அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்ட் ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ்? ஓகே. Okay. So now identify the missing patterns. So I want to ask, give one homework, give one workout. So patterns in shapes. Here you have to identify the missing patterns. We have seen just now what is patterns in shapes. Okay, so that same concept we are going to use for this given exercise. See, take the first row. You have to you are going to help me to complete this patterns. Okay, so yeah, take the first row. It's a rectangle, star, rectangle, star. Now what will come here? So how to complete that patterns? Yes, here we have rectangle. Here we have rectangle. Okay, so come to the second row. Circle, diamond, 2 diamond, circle, diamond, dash. So here in this row, each circle followed by 2 diamonds. So what will come here? Yes, very good. Another diamond. Okay, so circle, 2 diamonds, circle, 2 diamonds. Very good. Now come to the third row. Square, triangle, circle, square. How to complete that pattern? Yes, very good. What will come here? Triangle. Come to the last one. Pentagon, circle, 2 circles. What will come here? Good, pentagon. Okay, so now I hope you all understand patterns in shape. Okay, next, see, the next we going to see patterns in numbers. So far we have seen what is pattern and what are the patterns we can see in our day-to-day life and what is patterns in shapes. Now we enter to patterns in numbers. Let's see, guys. Number pattern is a pattern or sequence in a series of numbers. Number pattern is a pattern or sequence in a series of numbers. This patterns generally establishes a common relationship between all numbers. This patterns generally how to establishes a common relationship between all numbers. Okay, for example 0, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15 and so each pattern has a rule here. So each pattern has a rule. Here the rule is number pattern is start from 0 and skip counter by 3 each time to represent the sequence around is used as shown in the diagram. Given all the steps to identify the numbers pattern to solve the problems of numbers patterns. First we need to find the rule being. Okay, see the picture here. This number 0, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15 and so on. This number pattern is start from 0 and skip counter by 3 each. First 0 la start ஆகி எது வரைக்கும் போகுது 3 வரைக்கும். Okay, skip counter by 3. Next again 3 to 6. Next 6 to 9. So next 9 to 12, 12 to 15. So here start from 0 and skip counter by 3 each time to represent the sequence around us. These are used as shown in this given. Okay, see guys, look at this picture. We want to find out the outcoming numbers of each patterns. See, can you guess something about these numbers? Yes, what you are seeing in the first row 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. Okay, so now can you guess something about this number? Yes, these numbers are skip counting by 3. These numbers are skip counting by 3. So how to complete this pattern? So after 18 we can write 21, 24, 27, 30 because here each numbers are skip counting by 3, 3. Okay, next take the next row 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. Here we in the second row we have the numbers 4, 8, 12, 16 and 20. So can you guess something about this number? Yes, these numbers are skip counting by 4. Okay, so how do we complete this? Very good. After 20 we can write 24, 28, 32, 36, 40 and 40. Okay, good. Similarly we can do the third row. So here what are the numbers we have? 110, 120, 130, 140, 150, 160. Here each numbers are skip counting by what? 10. So how do we complete this how do we complete this row? Good. 170, 180, 190 and 200. Okay students, now let's see patterns in square numbers. This is quite interesting. When a number has been multiplied by itself, we say that the answer is a square number. When a number has been multiplied by itself, எப்போ வந்து ஒரு நம்பரை அதோட நம்பராலே மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணுறோமோ we say that answer of நம்பரை வந்து என்னன்னு சொல்லலாம்னா ஸ்கொயர் நம்பர். Okay, so a square number is always positive. And the square number வந்து எப்பொழுதுமே எப்படி இருக்கும்னா பாசிட்டிவாக இருக்குன்னு சொல்கிறாங்க. The numbers like 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, etc. can be expressed as a product of number and itself. These numbers can be arranged in a square shapes. இந்த square numbersலாம் எப்படி அரேஞ்ச் ஆயிருக்கும்னா ஸ்கொயர் ஷேப்பாக அரேஞ்ச் ஆயிருக்கும். Let's see how this possible. So take the first figure. Here in that figure we have only one row and one column. Only one row and one column. Okay, so 1 into 1, so one row, one column. So multiply 1 multiply 1. So 1 into 1 is 1 square. We can write that 1 into 1 as 1 square. So what is 1 square? Again we get 1. Okay, understand? So now take the next figure. Here in this figure we have 2 rows and 2 columns. Yes, in the second figure we have 2 rows and 2 columns. So we can multiply 2 into 2, that is 2 square. What is 2 square? 2 square means 2 into 2. 2 2s are 4. Okay, so what is mean by square numbers? When a number has been multiplied by itself, we say that number is a square number. Okay, so the next following figure also following this same concept. Here in the third figure we have 3 rows and 3 columns. So how do we write it? 3 into 3 is equal to, that is 3 square. What is 3 square? 3 3s are 9. Okay, that's why I written here. Next, similarly the following 2 figures also following this same thing. Okay, in the fourth figure you can see 4 rows and 4 columns. So 4 into 4 is equal to 4 square, that is 16. The next figure follows 5 rows and 5 columns, that is 5 square, that is 25. So the square numbers are 1, 4, 9, 16, 25 and so on. From this manner we can find out so many square numbers. Okay, so yeah, square numbers is always should be positive. The numbers like 1, 4, 9, 16, 25 and so on, we can express as a product of number and itself. These numbers can be arranged in a square shape. Okay, so you can see in the picture square shape la dhaan irukum. Okay, now I want to give one homework. So take a pencil and note. So try the square numbers 6 square, 7 square and 8 square. This is you have to do now. Okay, I give time to do this. So now you can start to find out the square numbers for the following numbers: 6 square, 7 square and 8 square. Yes. Did you find? Yes. What is the answer? What is 6 square? 6 square means 6 into 6. That is 36. What is 7 square? 7 square means 7 multiple 7. So 7 sevens are 49. So what is 8 square? 8 square means 8 into 8. 8 8s are 64. Okay. Now you check your answer whether you are correct or not. Okay, now come to the circle the square numbers. Now we are going to circle the square numbers. Before that, I may recall what is a square number. Yes, just now we have seen what is a square number. A product of number multiplied by itself. A product of number. A product of number la ஏதோ ஒரு நம்பரோட ப்ராடக்ட் ப்ராடக்ட்லாம் மல்டிப்ளிகேஷன். ஸோ அது மல்டிப்ளை பை இட் செல்ஃப். இப்போ 1ன்னு எடுத்தோம்னா அதோடையே திருப்பி மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணணும் 1. 2 நம்பரை எடுத்தோம்னா அந்த 2வை 2ஆல் மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணணும். இப்போ 6ன்னு எடுத்தோம்னா அந்த நம்பரை திருப்பி அதே நம்பரால், அதான் மல்டிப்ளை பை இட் செல்ஃப்னால் அதோட நம்பரோடய மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணணும். இப்போ 6 6 are 36. ஓகே, ஸோ நவ் லெட்ஸ் see how to circle the square number. See guys, what are the square numbers we are seeing? Yes, 1 1s are 1, 2 2s are 4, 6 see 1 1s are 1. So I am circling, I have circled the square numbers. You can see here 1 1s are 1, 2 2s are 4, 3 3s are 9, 4 4s are 16, 5 5s are 25, 3 3s are 36, 7 7s are 49, 8 8s are 69, 9 9s are 81 and 10 10s are 100. Here I am multiplying the number by itself. ஒரு நம்பரை எடுத்துட்டு அதோட நம்பரோட மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணியிருக்கேன். இங்கே பாருங்க. Okay, understand students? Okay students, thank you. We will see in the next class with the new subtopic. Thank you.